Hey y'all, back here at the farm. Just want to give y'all an update. We've had some torrential rain and got quite a few significant puddles. So I just thought I'd show y'all an update of the farm and the mares. Don't worry, the mares are all inside, safe and sound. Check it out. So as you can see, there are some significant puddles out here at the farm. The mares should not play in the puddles, as it would make a mess and you might catch a cold. As you can see, Maerio is not impressed that she cannot play in the puddles. She doesn't quite understand that they could make her sick. She's also afraid of looking at the camera, apparently. Nope, she was just distracted. Farmer Ellen has saved the day. She's holding my mare so that I can go back inside. Thank you.